Hi, this is N. John Sukumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Sukumar's Smart Education. National Online Essay Writing Competition organized by CAG, Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Cash prizes. First prize 30,000 rupees. Second prize 20,000 rupees. Third prize 15,000 rupees. No registration fee, open to all the students of India, age not more than 25 years. Topics, you can choose anyone from the following 3 topics. Topic A, the CAG helping India achieve Panchamrit. 5 nectar elements to deal with climate change. B, the CAG realizing the Constitution's vision, enlivening Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. C, CAG at 2047. Imagine you are the CAG of India in year 2047. What will be your strategy for the institution? Length of the essay should not exceed 1500 words. Must be typed in A4 size paper, MS Word, Calibri font, size 12 with 1.5 line spacing. Send your entries to essay2022@cag.gov.in. You need to submit recent color passport size photograph, proof of date of birth, student ID, a profile sheet, essay, MS Word in English or Hindi. Last date 15 September 2022. Subscribe my channel, ring the bell for latest updates. Like, share